Hello, welcome. This video is being recorded using a Panasonic DMC FZ38 Lumix camera. I'd like to talk today about 2 m 70 cm handhelds. There's a lot of low-cost handhelds flooding the markets recently with names like Quansheng, Baofeng and Quansheng. And I've had a few of these radios myself, and I must say they are extremely well made, very robust units, and in my opinion are giving the big guns like Icom and Yaesu something to worry about. Enough said about that. I'm here today to wonder as to whether the aerial that comes with my Quansheng or my Quansheng is actually as good as it could be. So that got me to thinking and looking around on the internet, and on the internet I found that there's aerial manufacturers out there that state that that's not the case and that their aerials are far better. They have great claims of dB of gain over standard antennas. Well, that's all well and good if you've got all the test equipment to actually confirm or disprove it, which we haven't, so we just take their word, put it on our radio, and off we go, and are happy to think that maybe we're doing better with the antennas we've got. Well, I thought I'd like to test that, but I don't want to be spending a great deal of money doing so. So I've managed to obtain a small AKD WA field meter. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to test that Quansheng with its standard antenna, and I'm going to go to a place within the workshop where I lose the signal altogether with its stock antenna, and I'm going to use that as my test zone for these antenna tests. So I should go ahead and do that now. The Quansheng there, and I will transmit the carrier there. The 3 rate aerials in the background you see are the ones that we will be testing. There will be a list of their names underneath this video. So there's our test signal, and we shall drop right out. You'll have to excuse for noises. Get right to the back. And I shall put it in its test pod, in its charger pod, sorry, which I'm using for testing. Okay, so that's its stock antenna. I'll remove that now, and I'll see whether this antenna can actually give me a signal from that area. Now, I don't know whether you can see the name there. I hope you can. But if you can, it's a Nagoya or Nagoya, and it's an NA771. So we'll give that a try. So I shall now fit that onto our test radio and transmit a signal. Wow, that's quite impressive. I'll take that off. I shall then take this one, which is a Diamond RH771, and I shall fit that to the radio. And we do have a signal, but as we can see, it's not as good. Now we shall remove that, and we shall now try this antenna. Well, that's not very impressive, is it? So all these people that make all these claims, that's aerial number 3, pay attention to this one, because on this band, which is 145 that I'm testing the antenna on, that doesn't look very effective. The diamond was the second best antenna over stock, and the Nagoya NA771, not to be confused with the Diamond's RH771, was the best in our test. The test that I've done is obviously not scientific in any shape or form, but it just goes to prove that some of these antennas aren't quite up to what the manufacturers would have us believe they are. Thank you for watching this short video.